can go ahead. Perfect. Awesome. Now you merge. Signal, mirror, blind spot. Blind spot. Just in case someone was coming through that intersection. All right, turtle mode again.
What is it, 40, 50?
50.
Just gonna stay.
This time here, we're going to turn left at the roundabout.
Oh.
And for that, you just stay close to the yellow line.
So we end up going that way?
Yeah, down Maley.
Okay.
So 2 different streets, meaning you need your left signal on. Timing of that signal is like maybe
right before the roundabout?
right about here. You could put it on right here. So anyone coming through has the right of way. If they're not coming through, then we can keep on going. Yeah, right over there. You got her. Then you just stay close to the truck skirt here. That's what that concrete piece is in the left lane. And then you pick your speed up right up to 80. And you move into the right lane. Signal, mirror, blind spot. There we go. When you go for your full G license, they're going to get you to turn left at that roundabout there, just like we did.
Okay.
And then you continue this way all the way back to the road test center.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Along the way, they get you to do 2 lane changes, one to the left, one to the right at 80. And they could ask you to do that at any given point. So here you're going uphill. You want to get your speed up to 80 here. Just a little bit more pressure on the gas pedal because gravity's kind of trying to slow you down. And let's go ahead and make a left lane change at this speed. You want to keep that speed going. Okay. And now we'll make one to the right and take about 3 seconds to transition from one lane to the other. Signal, mirror, blind spot, 1001. Thought, no, that was too quick. You'd feel that boat rocking. Don't want to feel that. Just nice, long lane change. Let's make a left lane change. Nice and long. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. That's perfect. So that's really important in the winter when you're trying to change lanes over a strip of slush. Because if you're jerking the wheel, you could spin out of control. So basically that long lane change is what you need. We're going to go ahead and make a right lane change. 1002, 1003, 1004. That's good. No, that's fine. That's fine. And in the winter, you'll naturally just find yourself naturally making a longer lane change. So that you don't spin out of control.
Yeah, you don't want that.
No, it might be fun for like a second or two, but yeah. So you're managing your speed well at 80. It's fluctuating a little bit over, a little bit under, which is normal. You try to keep it as close to 80 though as you can, so you're losing too much speed. You're 5 under. You want to get that speed up quickly, so you're staying ahead of any traffic. Okay, so you're around 80 here. When you reach this sign, 60 with the arrow on it, you can just take your foot off the gas and just let it coast. When you reach 60, you can apply your foot back to the gas pedal. All right, we're going to turn left at the roundabout. So for that, you do need to get into the left lane. We'll make a left lane change. Nice, and managing your speed at 60. So here what we're doing is turning left and going into the college over here.
Okay. Oh, so we're going all the way around this?
Yeah, from this lane. You'll see how it connects here when we get a little closer.
Okay, so left, signal.
Yeah. So there's nobody coming out of the college. Nobody's going to be going
We're
in front of you.
in
So
there?
yeah, into the college over there. You'll see. You just go like stay in this lane. You go all the way around here. Keep turning left. And now everyone has to yield to you
And then
into the college. Yes, that's a full left turn.
I don't have to signal to like go.
You did. You had your left signal on.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Yep. Now we're going to turn left here. Nice smooth stop. And then we're just going to turn right here down the one-way laneway. And a left turn at the stop sign. Right turn at the stop sign, or you go back up to the roundabout over here.
Right turn. Do I have to signal?
Yeah, because you're going from one roadway to another roadway.
I don't know. I feel like that would be assumed as like straight.
But you're turning right.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah. Laterally. We're going to turn left at the roundabout. So we're going from this roadway to LaSalle Extension. Left turn signal. Check left. Someone's coming straight through. So let's stop. Let's stop. And same for this guy here. He's coming through. So yeah, you definitely have to really check before you proceed, right? Once they enter the circle, like the white car here and the black truck, once they reach that point, you're still behind the curb line here. You need to yield because they've already entered the circle.
Okay.
No,
No.
no, blue car coming. See, judgment, right? Timing is everything. Judging the speed of the vehicle, the distance, and how much time it's going to take you to get over there. There you go. So now these people have to yield to you if they there we go. Okay, now we're going to go up LaSalle Extension. Okay, good. Fun, eh?
Scary.
Just got to be super cautious though.
Yeah.
Roundabouts are great. They keep the traffic flowing nicely. We're staying in this lane, left lane here, because we're turning left at the next roundabout up there.
Okay.
People behind you might not like it that you're going 60, but that's too bad. If they want to pass you, they got the right lane to do that.
Yeah. And it's rental cars.
What, behind us?
No, like our car.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Right, I forgot.
Yeah. They should clue in
Yep. Okay, so now we're going to turn left at the roundabout.
So we're gonna go there.
Yeah, onto Frood. You're in the circle, they have to yield right down Frood. That's a full left turn through a roundabout. There. All right, just be prepared here. We're gonna turn right down. There's a driveway here. We're gonna turn right.
This
Right
way
here. Yeah, you got it. top of the hill, right turn.
Do I have to signal that?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, if ever in doubt, use your signal. Unless you're going straight. Yeah. There's an exit on that side there. We're going to head back to the circle. So left at the roadway. So left again, left at the roundabout. This is the most difficult turn to make at a roundabout.
Okay.
Most difficult, most dangerous. Because you're dealing with traffic on that side
Yeah.
coming through.
So we're going that way?
Yes, yeah. So it looks good, right? You don't have any vehicles coming, so you can keep on rolling here. Yeah. Excellent. You could stay in this lane because the right lane ends. You see that in 300 meters.
Okay.
Building your speed up to 80 nicely here. There, so that's roundabouts.
Cool. I'll definitely get my mom to bring me to practice on them some more.
You'll want to get that practice in within the next year, like before you go for your full G. You're not going to be asked to do that to get your G2.
Okay.
They don't take you out on the highway. They don't do the roundabouts until you go for your full G.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this is just a little bit of exposure to this, so you get an idea of what to practice, how to do things.
That's nice though.
So you want to pick your speed up to 80 here so that the guy doesn't pass you unnecessarily. If he passes you, gets into an accident because you were going under the speed, you could be held liable for that. So it's better to just keep it at 80 or 81 even. That way, if he passes you, gets into an accident, it's not on you.
Yeah.
Because you were doing the speed limit. No brake required, just let it coast. You can even step on the gas a little, see, you're under 80. So the lane splits in two. We're going to stay in this lane, straight ahead. That right lane and it takes you to Isilda or Chelmsford. This one takes you back downtown. So you can ignore that 30 sign. You just go at a safe, comfortable speed for the corners. The road conditions are good. When you start coming out of the corner, you press the gas. There you go. You can ignore that 50 sign as well. That's just like more for the transport so they don't tip over. They got a high center of gravity. We're low center of gravity, so you just go to safe, comfortable speed. Use your acceleration lane to merge into traffic at the same speed as they are. Signal, mirror, blind spot. Awesome. There. Yeah, you just coast to 60 without using your brake. Right down to 60. Here you go. Use your brake a little bit because you're still going 10 over.
Yeah.
A little more. There we go. You're at 60. That's good. You can ignore the people behind you. It really doesn't matter how fast they want you to go.
Yeah. Oh, 50?
Yeah, there we go. 50. That's ahead though. That's not here.
Oh, okay.
It's just because there was an arrow on top of that one, right? So that's just pointing at the sign where it says begins.
Okay.
So that by the time you get to that sign 50, you should be at 50, from 60 to 50.
Okay.
So we'll keep going straight here.